Flagship Delivery Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get courier services wrong. They assume all delivery providers are the same or that cheap rates mean poor service. The surprising truth about Flagship Delivery is that it's a reliable, nationwide service offering fast shipping, tracking, and customer support for businesses and individuals. You won't believe how efficient their service can be. Here's how it works. Flagship Delivery handles local, regional, and national shipments, providing real-time tracking, guaranteed delivery windows, and logistics support. Businesses can schedule pickups, print labels, and manage multiple shipments from a single platform. For example, an e-commerce seller can ship hundreds of packages daily, track every delivery, and receive proof of delivery notifications. Most people get this wrong. They think small couriers can't scale, but Flagship combines speed, transparency, and support effectively. Additional benefits include flexible pricing plans, same-day delivery options in certain areas, and integrations with online store platforms. Users praise the reliability, responsive customer service, and consistency of deliveries. However, there are considerations. Service availability can vary by region, and rates may be higher than standard postal options for urgent shipments. Most people assume all couriers are identical. Choosing the right provider affects customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. In conclusion, Flagship Delivery is ideal for businesses and individuals seeking dependable, trackable, and professional delivery services. If fast and reliable shipping matters to you, this platform is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of logistics and delivery solutions.